Welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into Microsoft To Do app review in order to see if it's worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about the Microsoft To Do app, it offers a clean, free way to organize tasks across devices, seamlessly syncing with Outlook and other Microsoft 360 tools. Its My Day features, list sharing, and intuitive interface make it ideal for personal productivity and daily task tracking. On the downside, it lacks advanced project management features like dependency custom sorting or advanced viewing, found in other rival apps. Some users also report bugs, slow performance, or certain device and limited third-party integration. So, if you're looking for a dependable, no-cost to-do list app that fits well with Microsoft tools, Microsoft To Do is definitely worth using. If you need more powerful features or plan high-level project workflow, you might want to consider any other alternative. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the revision button and make sure you subscribe for more review.